Hello YouTube. We're going to restore this. Sand it down. We do not know for sure if we're going to put shellac on the handle. I don't really want to put oil on it because I like colored wood on this. We are going to hand sand wire brush, or maybe wire brush with a drill, and hand sand this because you can't take it to a belt sander because these teeth are offset. Can you kind of see how they bend out? Just like a handsaw. It's still pretty sharp. It's just for drywall. I haven't never tried it on wood just to see how sharp it really is. There you go. A little before picture. This will be a real short video on this. I might bring it back and show you the wood before I shellac it, things like that. But we'll get busy on it. This is going to be one of them real quick. Let's talk more work videos. Okay, this cleaned up real nice just for wire brush. Be careful, I have my leather gloves on. Pretty nice, I'm happy with that. And I even did that lightly. I was real careful lightly on that. Whatever they call this. Pea shredder. It does have a name, that metal ring. Okay, back to doing the wood. Okay, we got the handle done. Trying to get a little wetness on her, some alcohol, so you kind of see what it looked like. Get back here. Kind of see what it looked like with shellac on it, a little bit darker. I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to shellac it instead of oil it. That way it's more waterproof. Tools like this, because you're not holding on to it all day like a hammer. I'd want oil on my wooden handled hammer or axe. This isn't a tool you're going to be using for hours and hours, you know, just to make a hole in drywall. And like I was thinking, I do need to see if it'll saw a little piece of wood too. I got some wood lath, maybe I'll try it. But there you go, put some shellac on it. When it's dry, we'll come back, show you what it looks like, and we'll be done. That was pretty handy to use the belt sander on that. Okay, we are done. We put some shellac on there. It took longer to film this than it did to do the work. I swear it did. Just a light coat. You put too heavy a coat on it, it's going to take forever to dry. I mean, this stuff will dry. It's been about 15 minutes. And if I decide I want another coat, I'll go spray one on what's still a little bit tacky. I mean, if you touch it, it feels a little bit sticky. And yes, this will saw through wooden lath. I have a piece of wooden lath because you might be in an old house, you want to put an outlet box or something. And that's why it's probably pretty aggressive. You know, it's made to saw out like around your outlet boxes, around anything. And you need to put a hole in drywall. And then you got a pointy end where you stick it up there and whomp it with the palm of your hand or tab with a wooden mallet to get a hole started. If you never used one, that's what it's for. Just don't abuse stuff like this. This is old. Whoever had it before me took good care of it. I have no idea where I get this stuff from. I dragged so much stuff over the years. I don't know if it came out of the garbage or a second-hand store or where, or someone gave it to me. So there you go. Thanks for watching. We'll give you a couple nice pictures before and after.